Now, every one of us knows about AI. But what about BI? BI applications have grown nearly 50% in the past 3 years. In this video, we are going to share with you what BI is and what it means for you and your organization. BI or business intelligence is a combination of tools that aim to streamline the process of collecting, reporting, and analyzing data. For example, data visualization, automatic reporting, and data centralization tools all fall under the definition of BI. Top products include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and Dunbar. Unlike artificial intelligence, whose role is to automate rational decision-making by modeling human behavior, BI tools find a pattern in noisy data while leaving the decision-making process to the management. In other words, it only tells you what it is and it doesn't tell you what to do. BI tools collect, combine, and compile a large amount of data into an organized and unified form which machines and humans can then later utilize. It means that businesses and organizations could be using AI and BI at the same time as they feed data compiled by BI into an AI to generate insight and assist corporate management. In the future, companies would not regard AI and BI as separate technologies. Instead, they would become a helpful tool that businesses could use to streamline their workflow. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.